Hey dudes, what's going on? It's HD Hunter here. We're pranking my sister and recording the intro for my YouTube video. I'm recording the intro. Okay, so we're recording a smoke alarm prank. We were bored, so I just came up, smoke alarm prank. Let's do this. So hopefully we can find a good place to set up the camera. Try to get that. Perfect. We'll see you guys in a second. Oh my god! Oh my god!
Go! Run! Here, Lou! Gosh, yeah, I'm not stepping out here. I'm taking out my socks. Oh my gosh,
Oh my god.
Fire!
There's a fire! We gotta go tell John. We need to tell John. John, there's a fire!
Jackson, don't do that. Jackson, stop. Okay, go turn off the... Olivia, are you scared now? Are you scared?
Guys, did you close the back door?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
No, now my parents are gonna go inside.
Call 911!